Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we bring you a wiring tutorial video for connecting the Skydroid C13 to the SIYI RC7. Skydroid C13 is a 3-axis gimbal that integrates a 5-megapixel visible light camera, a 640 thermal imaging sensor and a laser rangefinder. SIYI RC7 is SIYI's new generation handheld ground station, designed for drones, vehicles, boats and intelligent robots. The video is mainly divided into 3 parts. What products will be used in this test? How to wire. How to display. What products will be used in this test? The products used are Skydroid C13 gimbal camera, SIYI RC7 remote controller, Tattoo 11.1V battery. The cables used are LAN plus power combo cable, RC7 receiver power cable. How to wire. The connector on the C13 is GH1.257 pin, and the connector on the RC7 receiver is GH1.258 pin. Connect the POW plus LAN port of the C13 to the LAN port of the RC7 receiver. Power on the RC7 receiver first. Then power on the C13 gimbal camera. How to display. Turn on the remote controller and open the gimbal FPV app. If there is no image after entering, click the switch button at the bottom menu, find the C13 icon and tap to enter. The first icon is for recording, the second for taking photos, the third for enabling the floating window. Then we move on to the 4th parameter settings. Image parameters. You can configure some relevant image settings for the camera. Gimbal control includes target tracking and 3 control modes to choose from. Multiple modes can be enabled at the same time. Wobble correction calibration. This is calibrated at the factory. Due to its special calibration process, do not attempt to calibrate on your own. Please contact our technical support before calibration if needed. AI gimbal. Enabling AI gimbal allows you to lock onto a selected object. Gimbal calibration. The gimbal is pre-calibrated at the factory. Do not click unless there is an issue with the gimbal. Working mode. You can set the gimbal to upright or inverted mode. Please place the gimbal accordingly. Incorrect placement may damage the gimbal motor. Gimbal speed. Control speed modes include constant speed and variable speed. Palette. Adjust the thermal imaging display style with 11 options available. Click Settings to configure encoding mode, image flip, view camera version number and OSD display. Crosshair. Laser rangefinder. Click the rangefinder button for single measurement. Effective range is 5 m 1 km. Reverse line. Side buttons. One key tilt down, your reset, global reset, zoom control. Go to Settings again. The first video address is the visible light stream of the C13. The second address is the thermal imaging stream of the C13. Copy the address, open QGC. Go to Application Settings under the General tab. Set the video source to RTSP video stream, paste the video address, and return to the flight screen to view the C13 feed. The thermal imaging address follows the same procedure. You can also input the C13 stream address into the C ground station. Open UniGis, click the settings icon at the top right corner. Copy the C13 video address to camera A or camera B. C ground station can display both visible light and thermal imaging simultaneously. This concludes our video on connecting the Skydroid C13 gimbal camera to the SIYI RC7 ground station. Through this tutorial, we've covered the required equipment and cables, the correct wiring method, and how to view and configure the video stream and parameters on both the remote controller and ground station. Skydroid C13 integrates visible light, thermal imaging and laser rangefinding in one device. Combined with the SIYI RC7 ground station, it offers a more intelligent and efficient solution for various application scenarios. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions about the video or want us to explain a part in more detail in future videos, feel free to leave us a comment. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We will continue to bring you more reviews, tutorials, and practical guides on drone equipment. See you in the next video.